Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's a very important day. It marks the first video of denymarie Beauty. For those that don't know and don't follow me on Instagram, which you should, I'm Danielle of denymarie, D-E-N-Y-M-A-R-I-E. Go follow. And yeah, I don't know why it's taking me so long to get on YouTube. Okay, mind you, I've made like 8 or 9 videos before, but I've never posted them because I've been like nervous or whatever. And then I was like, who gives a Alright, so today's look is going to be an everyday look, what I would do if I were getting up and going to work, or if I were going to run errands around town and wanted to put a little makeup on. So, to get started, we're going to start with our brows. I'm going to take my spoolie. I'm going to use the one by Morphe Cosmetics. And I always like angle it a little bit. I feel like it gives you more control. I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up. Oh. And next, I'm going to use the eyebrow pencil by NYX Cosmetics in dark brown. So, to begin, I'm going to line my lower eyebrow. And that's going to create the basic shape of my eyebrows. Alright, next I'm going to do the top arch of my eyebrow. As you can see, it's starting to come together. Alright. And so I'm going to go ahead and brush and kind of blend everything together and kind of see what I'm working with and then fill in last. I'm liking this basic shape. I'm going to fill in and add some more definition utilizing a eyebrow dip brow by NYX Cosmetics. Build a brow in dark brown. And I like this one. It's waterproof, which is really nice. So if a guy tries to try something and take you swimming on the first date, full faced, your brows will last. I'm gonna use a small angle brush from Morphe Cosmetics. And yeah, if you aren't following me on Instagram, you're a fool. I'm just kidding. No, go follow me on Instagram. My handle is D-E-N-Y-M-A-R-I-E, denymarie. Same as my YouTube handle. Alright, so now we got our brow shape going on. And so now all I'm going to do is take my concealer. I'm going to use the LA Pro Concealer in Toffee. I love this line of concealers. Like, hands down, I love them. I mean, if anyone can suggest any other ones they would like me to try or post or review, please let me know. So I'm going to go ahead and take my brush with a little bit of concealer on it and line my eyebrows. Oh, girl! That's cute. But we're not going to leave it like that. So we did the bottom, and now we're going to do the top. We're going to go ahead and blend that down when we start to work on our eyes and our face. But for now, we'll just leave it alone and move on to the next eyebrow. So I'm going to use my Beauty Blender. It's wet and damp, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend it down. Alright, let's keep it going. So I'm going to be using my Morphe Eyelid Primer in Translucent. I'm just going to add a little dollop onto each eyelid, about like a little pea size. Alright, 2 little dots. I'm going to take a little trapezoid sponge and pat it on my eyelid. I'm going to be utilizing the 35O palette by Morphe Cosmetics. So to get started, I'm just going to use this brush by NYX Cosmetics. It doesn't have a number. It's a basic eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use that for this color. And go all over my eye. into my crease. Alright, so we went all over the eyelid with this color using this brush. Next, we're going to go into the crease with our creasing brush, our smudging brush. And this one is from actually NYX Cosmetics. It's just the eye crease brush. I'm going to go ahead and use that really dark brown here we have in this corner. And go in my crease and really work in the color. Now this is going to take some time to build that pigment because you want it to be darker, and you just want to kind of contour your eyelid, give it some more definition. And we're just doing back and forth motions. So we're going to take our blending brush with nothing on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend. And it's same back and forth motion. So now we've added some definition to our eyelids. We're going to go in now with that gold we saw. This gold. And we're going to do that in the middle of our eyes. And so for that one, I'm going to go ahead and use this flat eyebrow brush. It can be used for concealer as well, but I really like to use it on my eyes. And this one's by Morphe Cosmetics. And I'm going to use that one to add that gold color. And this is just to make your eyes pop a little bit more. Yeah, so we have the gold. And we're just going to take our blending brush again and blend along the crease. I do want my eyes to pop, but I do want it to look blended and not like I just stuck some gold on the center of my eyelid. So I'm just going to really blend along the crease and on the outside. I think our eyes are looking pretty well. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my liner. I use the NYX Cosmetics liner in the charcoal. It's literally, I think it's up to, it started out as $1 when I first bought it years ago, and now it's like $3. Regardless of any liner I've tried really expensive liners, I've tried drugstore, I always come back to the NYX Cosmetics liner because for me, I just have a lot of control. It goes on really well and it stays all day. So, what is there to lose? Just do a basic wing. Alright, so we have our top liner complete, and next we're going to go ahead and do our lower liner along our waterline, and then our lashes, and our eyes will be complete. So for lower liner, I use Maybelline Eye Studios. It's just the dip liner in the blackest black. And it comes, the cool thing about this whole little set, it comes with a pencil, or it comes with a brush with it. So it's really nifty and handy dandy. So the lashes I'm going to be using today are from Kiss. They are the collection of Pageboy. Their description is full, bouncy, volume, and curl. And the key to putting on your lashes is going above your natural lash line. Lashes are on and up. And yeah, these are our everyday eyes. So now let's get to the skin. But a really important thing is your lips. You want to have good lip health. You want to have really nice, well taken care of lips. So with that, I'm going to use the Sugar Lip Scrub by AO Studios. It's in the, what flavor is this one? This is Rose. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this while I'm prepping my skin. go on like a lip gloss, but you can feel the little scrubby beads in it. So let it work its magic. I'm gonna prime my skin using the Orange Concealer Color Corrector by LA Girls Pro Concealer. And I'm gonna do a little under my eyes, a few dots under my eyes, and then 2 lines around my mouth to help with those last lines, and then under my chin. And then I'm going to take my blending sponge. All right, we are perfectly orange. All right, I think it's time to take off my lip scrub. So I'm just going to use a little wipey. For foundation, I use the Color Perfect Liquid Makeup by Radiance in the color Brownie. I really do love this foundation. Like, I cannot say enough good things about this foundation. Like, it's my go-to. I wear it every day. It lasts a long time. It really makes, it doesn't dry out my skin, which I'm always worried about. And yeah, I just really like it. Gives me this smooth, enhanced appearance. So kudos, Radiance. And I love that it comes with a spatula inside. So I just kind of do some lines on each side. All right, so now I'm just gonna take my Morphe foundation brush and smooth it in. All right, now that our foundation is done, let's go ahead and contour our face. So for contouring, I'm going to utilize my go-to LA Girl Pro Concealers. One here, a line here. Let's extend that one a little bit more, and one from the top of my ear down. So we have everything outlined and set. I'm going to take a denser brush than I've been using. So this one's a really dense brush. It's part of the Rose Gold collection I have. This is my contour brush. Now I'm going to take my concealer in Toffee and conceal under my eye. I'm going to do a triangle and then small strokes to fill under the triangle. Triangle under my eyes and then around my mouth. And I'm going to take my beauty blender again and just blend it in. So I'm going to be utilizing the Spun Loose Face Powder in, what color do I use? Suntan. Obviously I am not suntan, but I just bake for a little bit and then I brush it off really well, and I use a brown foundation powder just all over, and it looks pretty seamless. So if you guys have any other suggestions for a setting powder, please let me know. My next thing to try is the setting powder from Beauty Bakery. I actually want to try their whole line. I've used a few products and I will review those, but as of now I'm going to stick to my Spun, and we're going to do along the jawbone and under the eye, and just go along my jawbone. And now we wait. Time's up. All right, so baking is done. Just gonna go on my jaw a little bit more. And I'm gonna take the AO Studios Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder in the Chestnut and go all around my face. So now we're just going to do some finishing touches. We're going to take the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. Their colors are amazing. Everything's so pigmented. I'm going to go ahead and take Zoya with a lip brush and go in the corner of my eyes. Alright, and we are going to take the Super Shock Cheek Pearlized highlighter in Wisp by ColourPop Cosmetics. I'm going to take my angled highlighting brush. And I am a highlight lover. Like, I think more highlight the better. That's like my personal motto. Next, now that we've highlighted to the gods, we're gonna do our lips. So, for my lips today, I'm gonna be using MAC Cosmetics lip pencil in Chestnut. I really love this color. Like, as you can tell, it's been used like forever. And I'm just gonna line my lips with this. All right, lips are lined. And next, I'm gonna use NYX Cosmetics Slip Tease. In what color is this one? This is the Beyond Basic. I'm just gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna spot this on my lips. Alright, so thank you guys for watching my first video on YouTube. There are more to come, more looks. If you guys have any recommendations, suggestions, things you'd like to see on my channel, please let me know. Please like and subscribe down low. Leave your comments. Please be nice. But you know what? Who cares? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for all your love and support. Don't forget to slay.